Hello and welcome back to CxReports. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our powerful themes editor, the tool that lets you completely customize the visual appearance of your reports. Whether you're branding reports for your company, creating different styles for different clients, or just want to make your reports look amazing, this is your go-to solution. Here we are in the themes editor. Notice the split screen layout. On the left, we have all our styling controls organized into tabs, and on the right, we have a live preview that updates in real time as we make the changes. This is incredibly powerful because you can see exactly how your changes will look before you click Save. Let's start with the foundation of any theme, the color palette. This is where you define all your brand colors that will be used throughout the theme. You can add colors by clicking the Add button. Each color has three properties: a display name, like primary green for example, the actual color value, which you can pick using the color picker, and an automatically generated CSS variable name, which ensures consistency across your entire theme and makes it easy to reference colors in custom CSS. In the preview panel, all your colors are displayed in a grid. You can click on any color swatch and it will copy the CSS variable name to your clipboard, which is super useful when you're writing custom CSS and want to reference your theme colors. Now let's talk about typography. The Text tab is where you style all text elements in your reports. At the top, you'll see a button group that lets you select which text element you want to style. You can style the body text, paragraphs, links, and all 6 heading levels, H1 through H6. When you select an element, you get a comprehensive set of styling controls. You can adjust the font size and weight, color, and you can pick colors from the palette which is set up. You can also control line height, text transform, and margins. Below the general text styling, we have table of content styling. You can style each level independently, level 1 through level 6, and precisely. Besides, you can also configure the container properties like padding and borders. When you look at the preview, you can see sample text, so you can see how your typography choices look together. This is especially important for creating a cohesive visual hierarchy. Now let's quickly go back to the font family. If there is a need for another font, you can go to the External CSS tab, click Add New External Link, go back to the Text tab, type in the name of the font family, and it will be automatically integrated into your report. This means that you can import fonts from other sources, like for example Google Fonts. Tables are a crucial part of many reports, and the Themes editor gives you granular control over how they look. First, you select what part of the table you want to style. You can style the table as a whole, the header row, individual cells, footers, or grouped rows. For headers, you can control background color. Font properties, text color, text transform, padding, borders on all sides. This lets you create distinct header styles that stand out from the data. For tables, you get all the same controls, plus you can set different colors for odd and even rows, which is great for creating that classic alternating row pattern that improves readability. For footers and grouped rows, you can style up to 4 different levels, and this is perfect for complex reports with multiple levels of grouping or summary rows. Charts are where data visualization really comes to life, and the Themes Editor gives you complete control over chart appearance. In the Charts tab, you can configure colors for different chart elements. The system uses your color palette, and you can assign specific colors to different series of data points. In the preview, you can see both a pie chart and a line chart. The colors from your theme are automatically applied, which ensures consistency across all your charts. Now, let's take a look at Chart Legends. This is a powerful section where you can control every aspect of how legends appear. You can even control the shape, size, and alignment of legend items. You can adjust colors, gaps, margins, borders, padding, and much more. The preview shows a chart with a legend, so you can see how all these settings work together. This level of control ensures your legends match your overall design aesthetic perfectly. Let's take a quick look at an example of a chart inside of a report. If you click on it, many more configuration options will appear on the right side. This means that the Themes Editor gives you complete control over the general appearance of report elements, but all element-specific configurations are available in the report itself. In the Figures tab, you can style figure captions and the table of figures. Under the Comment button, you can style the whole container. Then, you can adjust the figure name and the title text. This ensures your figures have a consistent, professional appearance. Similarly, you can style the table of figures entries, controlling how figure references appear in your report. The Components tab handles specialized report elements. First, we have separators, those horizontal or vertical lines you use to divide sections. You can control the line's color and thickness, as well as the container padding around it. Next, we have key value grids, those two-column layouts where you show labels on the left and values on the right. This is very common in reports. You can style the common properties that apply to all elements, and then specifically style the key column, the value column, dividers between rows, the frame around the grid, and individual rows. You can also set alternating row colors, as I just did, and control row height. The preview shows both a separator and a key value grid, so you can see how these components look in context. Sometimes you need more control than the visual editor provides. That's where custom CSS comes in. You get a full-featured code editor with syntax highlighting for writing custom CSS. For advanced charting, on the other hand, CxReports integrates with Apache ECharts, and you can configure the eCharts theme directly here. First, there's a Calculate button that automatically generates an eCharts theme based on your other theme settings. This is a great starting point. Then, you have a JSON editor where you can fine-tune the eCharts theme configuration. This gives you access to all of eCharts theming capabilities. There's even a link to the eCharts Theme Builder website where you can explore all available options and see examples. Throughout this entire process, the preview panel on the right has been updating in real time. This is one of the themes editor's best features. You see your changes instantly, which makes the design process much faster and more intuitive. When you're happy with your theme, just click the Save button. The system will save all your settings, and this theme will be available for use in all your reports and templates. Once saved, you can apply this theme to any report or template, and all the styling will be automatically applied. This is the power of the Themes Editor. Create once, use everywhere. It is a comprehensive tool that gives you control over every visual aspect of your reports, from colors and typography to tables, charts, and custom components. Happy reporting!